What's up guys, it's Inferno, and today we will be playing Fortnite, CSGO, Gears 5, Metro Exodus, and GTA 5 on the Zephyrus G14 with the RTX 2060 Max Q graphics card. You will be able to view not only the frames per second for each game, but also the CPU and GPU temperatures. Please note, I recorded the games back-to-back so you'll get real-life extended gaming temperatures. This will be a gaming-only video with no commentary, so you can be the judge. All games will be played on the G14's turbo mode, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Thanks for watching this video. Tell me what you think about the performance and temperatures of this laptop while gaming in the comments section. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also hit the notifications because I just got access to the Asus Zephyrus G15, so you know I will be doing a comparison video very soon. As always, make sure to wash your hands. Peace!